Hello, today I'm taking you to one of the most exciting places in Tbilisi, Fabrika, a factory that has turned into the coolest hangout spot in the city. This building was once an old Soviet sewing factory, and today Fabrika is one of the most famous and coolest spots in Tbilisi. It's a hostel, a creative hub, and a place where locals, expats, travelers, and digital nomads all meet. As soon as you step into the courtyard, you feel the energy. Every wall is covered in colorful street art. There are pop-up markets with vintage clothes and handmade items, food outlets, live music, and people from all over the world enjoying the good vibes. Digital nomads come here with their laptops, locals relax with a cold beer, and others are just hanging out and chatting. It's pure vibes in the open air. Fabrika is the heart of nightlife and social events in Tbilisi. Whether you are here for a drink, to make new friends, or just enjoy the atmosphere, Fabrika has something for everyone. Inside, Fabrika is more than just a hostel. You will find co-working spaces, art workshops, design studios, and cool little shops. So if you are in Tbilisi, whether you are a tourist, an expat, or a digital nomad, Fabrika is not just a place, it's an experience to feel. And if you would like to visit the famous dry bridge in Tbilisi, a unique spot which you cannot see anywhere else, make sure to check out my previous video.